How to make a Ubisoft account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can make a Ubisoft account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, making a Ubisoft account is actually very simple. All you have to do is just go to ubisoft.com and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface. From here, what you basically need to do is you want to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen and it will take you to this website here. Now, if you already have an account, by the way, you can log into your account, but to create an account you have to tap the create an account toggle over there. As you tap on the create an account option over there, you should be able to see all these sorts of information where you can see it asks you to simply enter your email, confirm your email address. So all you have to do is enter the email that you would like to use for your Ubisoft account, then also confirm your email address, then your password, the username, the date of birth, and then just tap on the create a Ubisoft account option to basically create a Ubisoft account. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically make a Ubisoft account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.